In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mark your Facebook profile as a digital creator. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, you need to open up Facebook app. Then tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile page. And then tap at these three dots next to Edit Profile. You will be taken to the profile settings, where towards the bottom of the screen we can easily find Turn on Professional Mode. So basically, guys, all we have to do in order to change our Facebook profile to a digital creator is just turn on Professional Mode. Tap at Turn on here and then wait for a couple of seconds until it is turned on. After that, you can continue configuring your professional mode settings, but the point here is that your Facebook profile on that step is already turned into digital creator. Now I'm gonna just reopen Facebook app, and if we head over to our Facebook profile, we can see that now just down below my name it says digital creator. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.